everyone, how are you all doing? This is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about why you shouldn't use Weebly for your affiliate page. So before we proceed further in today's video, please support us by hitting the subscribe button and the like button only if you like the video, as well as the bell notification so that we can keep creating good content for you guys constantly. So are you ready for the video? Let's go. Hi everyone, how are you all doing? In today's video we are going to talk about Weebly, guys. Weebly. It's so famous. There's so many good things that we can talk about Weebly, and that video can go a long, right? 30 minutes long. Trust me, even more, guys. But in today's video we are not gonna talk the good stuff regarding Weebly. If you have no idea what Weebly is a very easy to use drag and drop builder. It's very famous. People use it all around the world to create website. There's a crazy amount of high convertible website created by Weebly, but you should not use Weebly to create your affiliate page. And why? I'm going to tell you why. Let's go. So the first reason why you should not use Weebly to create your affiliate page is because of the offline photo editing. So what do I mean by offline photo editing? In Weebly, when you are uploading a photo, of course, right? For example, you want to create an affiliate page for yourself for the affiliate campaign that you're running. You will be needing to trim your photo. You will be needing to edit your photo. You need to resize your photo. Photo matters a lot. Photo captures a lot of attention. You know that, right? So when you need to edit photo, most of the website builders out there, they do have in-house photo editor. It's not like a very big involved in-house photo editor like Photoshop or something like that. It's just a very simple photo editor, guys. So for example, you want to go WordPress, you want to upload a picture, you can resize it, you can crop it nicely and everything. But with Weebly, you do not have that feature at all. You cannot edit the photo within Weebly itself. So in order for you to go ahead and upload a photo, you need to go to different softwares like Canva, Photoshop, Paint, 3D, whatsoever you're using, offline photo editor. Then you have to save that photo and then you have to upload in Weebly. This because I have personally used Weebly before, and I personally think that this is something which is very hassle for me. And I think for beginner affiliate marketers, especially people who does not know how to use Photoshop, I am lucky because I'm from a designing background. I know how to use Photoshop and all those stuff, so I can do this very simply. I can do this very fast. But what if somebody does not know how to use an online photo editor at all, or an offline photo editor at all? This would be a great challenge, not only a hassle for him, this could be a great challenge. So I would say for affiliate marketers who are just embarking on the affiliate journey, this would be a great challenge and great hurdle for them. But for a seasoned affiliate marketer, definitely they know how to use Canva at least, so it would be what I said, a hassle for them. And this is one of the major drawbacks of Weebly. With Weebly, guys, it's really hard to find the cons, because Weebly is so well known. They have done most of the stuff properly, really properly, so it's really hard to find the cons. And this is one of the major drawbacks of Weebly itself. So the second drawback of Weebly is the restoring option. And what do I mean by restoring option? Everything that happens in Weebly is closed sourced. You can't import your Weebly landing page into Amazon S3 or any other cloud stuff. So if something happened to Weebly, let's say tomorrow the stock market crashes, the site goes down, or hacker attacks happen and the site goes down, or bugs or whatsoever happened, guys, Weebly is down, and you have just found your winning campaign which you created your landing page using Weebly, what would happen? You cannot do anything, guys. Literally, you just have to stand on the screen and watch your winning campaign move slowly. You can't scale them, you can't do anything with them because it's totally depending on Weebly to restore your site, guys. So depending what happens to Weebly, how long they are down, you have to wait. You can't do anything with your site, and this is very, very bad, especially if you are a seasoned affiliate marketer and you're trying to scale your campaign. Restoring option is very important, and being totally dependent on a particular landing page builder is not something that I like. Later on, I'll be giving you an alternative of Weebly. Definitely you're gonna see why I choose that as an alternative. Yeah, you will be seeing that soon, guys. But this is one of the biggest drawbacks of Weebly, and personally I think that Weebly can actually improve this by allowing us to do something else with the particular restoring features, guys. So the next one that we gonna take a look at would be the glitches within Weebly. Okay, I know some of you Weebly fans should be telling me this. Hey, what are you talking about glitches? There's so many other landing pages have more glitches with compared to Weebly. Okay, I won't deny that. I would totally agree with that. But then, would you be able to deny that Weebly does not have any glitches? You will not be able to do that because Weebly is glitchy, guys. And this happens like I told you just now itself. This happened with a lot of landing page builders. So it's not something which is very big. But then a company which has a very great reputation like Weebly itself, I think that they should fix this glitch problem. I don't know why they keep having this. Maybe it's because of the tech problem and all this stuff. Maybe because there's too many users or whatsoever. But why many landing page builder has this glitch, guys? It's very, very bad, and people like Weebly, they should do something. Definitely do something to fix these glitches around Weebly itself. The next one that we're going to take a look at, the bad support system. So Weebly, I think they have you heard of capitalism? If you heard of capitalism, I think Weebly is one of the biggest example of capitalism. Why? Why you're suddenly talking about bad support system and then you're talking about capitalism? Are you crazy? You might be asking me this question. No, I'm not crazy. Because Weebly gives you bad customer support if you have a low plan with them. If you have a higher plan with them, higher paid plan with them, then they have one of the best support system there is. So what is not capitalism here? It's capitalism, guys. You pay more, you get better support. That's not how it should work, guys. Regardless of whatever you pay, you're still a customer to that particular product. For example, now you're paying for Weebly, right? You're not doing it for free, you're paying a monthly fee, and when you're paying a monthly fee, you're a customer of Weebly. So regardless of whatever plan that you choose, they should offer you a good customer support. It's not only when you choose the biggest plan and then you get the greatest support, and then when you choose the lowest plan you get the shittiest support. That's not how it should work, but unfortunately that's how it works with Weebly, guys. And I feel that it's bad because I'm paying as well. I might not be able to pay as much as other people, but I am paying for Weebly as well. So I demand a proper support from them as well. Okay, if you want to do things a little bit fair, you can actually say, okay, we will be only allowed to have live support, maybe a contact phone support or something like that if you upgrade into a bigger plan. But with your lower plan, you can still access email support. That's totally understandable. I totally understand if they actually do something like this, but the support should be effective throughout all the plans, and that's how it should be. And that's something which is very, very bad with Weebly that I personally think, guys. So if there's so many things bad about Weebly, what would you recommend us to do? I would recommend you to go ahead and try Landerize, guys, a brand new software which was recently launched. And one of the reasons that I like about Landerize is that I told you before, right? With Weebly, you're totally dependent on Weebly. Everything is dependent on Weebly. If Weebly is down, you're screwed and all this. But that will not happen in Landerize, because with Landerize, you can actually take your landing page from the Landerize, which you personally did, and upload them into Amazon as free. And when you upload it to Amazon as free, you have full control of your landing page, regardless the Landerize go bankrupt, for example, because it's a brand new landing page builder. We will not know what happened to them. If they go bankrupt as well, you will still having your landing page which you already uploaded in Amazon as free. You own it fully. And when you upload something in Amazon as free, the loading speed would be extremely fast. And when you should know, as an affiliate marketer, if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, you might not know this, but if you're an experienced seasoned affiliate marketer, you should know that your landing page speed will definitely increase your CTR rate and indirectly increase your conversion rate as well. And that's what we like about Landerize. I have actually placed the link to Landerize in the description of this video. Do take a look at it if you are interested. Just take a look at it, guys. It's really worth it, because you can actually integrate Landerize with external trackers like for example Binom, Volume, Rate Track, and so many more. You can actually use the drag and drop user interface that Landerize has, just like other builders, but they only have 50 plus templates right now. I really hope that they add more templates, and they will, because they are very new. And also, once you go ahead into the Landerize, like if you want to go ahead, you can actually click the link like I told you, go ahead into Landerize. You can actually create your landing page within minutes. Personally, I did it in less than 4 minutes. But if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, I would say that you can actually create a highly optimized landing page within 10 minutes, guys, and it's super great. And the biggest reason why I love the Landerize is because they are created specially for affiliate marketers, which means they are created specially for affiliate pages, guys. I have been a seasoned affiliate marketer for quite some time. I've tested a lot of landing page builder, and most of the time when I'm using them, the thought that comes to my head is, hey, why don't they have these features to help affiliate marketers? Why don't they think in the aspect of affiliate marketers? Why they always focus on sales funnels, product funnels? Of course, that is where the money is, but then why they focus a lot on that? They don't focus a lot on affiliate marketers. But Landerize changed everything, because Landerize was created by a super affiliate himself. So definitely he will be thinking the same thing that I thought, right? Maybe he will have a much more deeper understanding, because he's a super affiliate, but then he will be thinking in the same angle that what I am thinking, and what you are thinking as well. What is the issues faced by affiliate marketers, and how can I actually solve that problem? And he did. Landerize is something that you should definitely take a look at, especially if you are an affiliate marketer, because it was built by an affiliate for affiliate marketers especially, guys. Personally, I really like the Landerize. You can actually go to the link in the description of the below of this video, and go ahead, check out Landerize yourself. It's totally worth it, guys. Really worth it. Go ahead and check it out. Thanks again for watching this video, guys. I think I've reached to the end of this video. Before I leave, please support us by hitting the subscribe button and the like button if you like this video, as well as the bell notification, so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, guys. Thanks again for watching. I will be seeing you soon in the next one. Bye bye.